Umqeqeshi weBafana useneqembu elibukeka lilisha elinabaholi abasha. Ulwazi kaRonwen Williams noSengunozinto ngumakade bona luzosiza kakhulu kuleli qembu. Umsebenzi omkhulu ebuholini obusha uzoqala ngemidlalo emibili emqoka yokuhlungela imidlalo yendebe yomhlaba yango 2022.
I mean, it's an amazing feeling, amazing achievement. It's an honor and a privilege for me, you know, to be part of the team first of all, and obviously now to be leading the team. I know it comes with huge responsibility, but one that I'm looking forward to.
iBafana izodlala neZimbabwe ngoLwesihlanu ntambama ngaphambi kokuthi idlale neGhana ekhaya enkundleni iFNB. uBruce oneminyaka engama-66 ubudala uthi kumthathe amasonto ambalwa ukuqoka ukapteni omusha ngoba befuna ukuthatha isinqumo esiphusile.
I said it already, I need someone who has a certain personality, who has the respect of the group and who can communicate. And I think with Ronwen I have someone like that. He's already a long time with the team, with Bafana, he's experienced, he communicates very well, so and he has respect from the group.
Umqeqeshi nabadlali bakhe bayaqonda ukubaluleka ukuqala imidlalo ngezinga eliphezulu.
Yeah, get a win. I think if we get a win somewhere, we'll feel better, we'll feel different as a team, the guys will be more confident. And then I will be looking forward to these games.
Lokhu bekuqeqeshwa kweBafana obekuvulelekile kwabezindaba okugcina. Leli qembu lizophinde liqeqeshe amahlandla amathathu ngaphambi kokulibhekisa eHarare ngoLwesithathu.